In this video, we'll show how the Aisera assistant for IT operations detects problems via incident clustering. Shown in this video is Tariq, an ITSM practice lead, and Sophia, an ITSM practitioner. Tariq asks the Aisera assistant with AIOps what the top issues are from the last 90 days. Aisera's AIOps assistant's problem detection is based on LLM-driven clustering and longitudinal behavioural analysis on temporal and ticket-specific attributes. It then proceeds to provide top incident clusters based on impact level. Sophia asks a follow-up question about a specific problem. AIOps assistant helps Sophia evaluate errors across different issues which are related to a key missing from the choice list. Sophia then asks how those issues were resolved. The Aisera's AIOps assistant evaluates all 172 related incidents and determines that in each case, the resolver manually applied the value exempt. Now that the Aisera AIOps assistant has helped Sophia with root cause analysis on this particular issue, she asks the Aisera assistant to summarize all the information and create a problem and change requests to add the exempt value to the system to avoid this issue in the future. Once the change request has been implemented, Aisera's AIOps assistant will then notify Sophia on the updates that took place.